An everlasting vow. The grand old church hummed with a happy tune. Sunlight streamed through the stained glass windows, painting rainbows on the polished wooden pews. I sat near the front, my heart thumping like a little drum, waiting for my cousin Alara. Today, Alara was going to be a bride. The organ began to play a beautiful melody that filled the entire church, and everyone stood up. My eyes were fixed on the big doors at the back. And then I saw her. Alara glided down the aisle, holding her father's arm. Her dress was as white as a fluffy cloud, and a soft veil floated behind her. She looked just like a queen from my storybooks. At the front of the church, a man named Liam was waiting. He was the groom, and he was going to marry Alara. He wore a smart suit with a bright red flower pinned to it. The minister spoke in a kind, gentle voice. He talked about love and promises, and how Alara and Liam would now be husband and wife. Alara and Liam smiled at each other. Their eyes sparkled, but I could see they were a little bit nervous too. It was a big, important moment. They exchanged shiny gold rings. The minister said the rings were a circle, with no beginning and no end, just like their love for each other. Then they kissed. Everyone in the church clapped and cheered. The organ played a loud, joyful song, and some people even had happy tears in their eyes. Outside the church, a photographer took lots of pictures. We all told Alara and Liam how happy we were for them. Then it was time for the party. At the party, there was delicious food and music for dancing. Later, Alara threw her beautiful bouquet of flowers into the air. My older sister caught it. Everyone laughed and said she would be the next to get married. It was a day full of love and happiness that I will never forget.